first judicial questioning of AAP's jail se Sarkar model. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in line of fire of the Delhi High Court that made strong remarks saying that the Chief Minister is putting his political interests above the national interest by not resigning from the post of Chief Minister. The High Court, coming down heavily on the state government, said that it is only interested in appropriation of power. The court was hearing the PIL over non-supply of books to students in MCD schools. The Delhi High Court also told the counsel for Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj that he was just shedding crocodile tears. AAP on its part blamed it on the Lieutenant Governor. The party said that since the LG has appointed aldermen illegally, standing committee has not been formed and works of the MCD beyond 5 crore rupees remain stalled.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये है कि जहाँ तक एमसीडी की बात है, अभी पूरे देश ने देखा है कि किस तरह से पिछली बार कितने जद्दोजहद के बाद मेयर का चुनाव हुआ था। उसके बाद जो है इन्होंने एलजी साहब ने जिस तरह से गलत तरीके से एल्डरमैन नियुक्त किए, उसकी वजह से आज तक स्टैंडिंग कमेटी नहीं बनी, काम प्रभावित हुए।
The LG Secretariat responded to the Delhi government claim, saying that the AAP Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has been sitting on the MCD files for several months. The LG's office further stated that the people of Delhi were facing hardships due to the inaction of the Delhi government. The BJP has demanded the resignation of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, saying there is a constitutional crisis in the capital.
देखिए, कोर्ट का ये बहुत बड़ा बयान है और बिल्कुल सटीक बयान है। माननीय कोर्ट ने जो पाया है, जो उनका अनुभव है, वो सही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल का कभी भी एजेंडा दिल्ली के लोगों का भला करना था ही नहीं।
हम बार बार कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, दिल्ली में प्रशासनिक संकट पैदा हो रहा है, आपको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
With the Aam Aadmi Party now pushing the blame on the Lieutenant Governor and the BJP in turn demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister, it is ultimately those 2 lakh students studying in the MCD schools that remain at the suffering end. Now in Delhi with camera person Rohit, this is Ishika Verma for NDTV.